Paksiw Tagalog, pak, s is a Filipino style of cooking, whose name means, "to cook and simmer in vinegar." Common dishes bearing the term, however, can vary substantially depending on what is being cooked. Paksiw na isda is fish poached in a vinegar broth usually seasoned with fish sauce and spiced with siling mahaba. It also usually includes vegetables, commonly ampalaya bitter melon. Inan Yunan is a notable Visayan version of the dish spiced primarily with ginger. Unlike northern Paksiw na isda, it does not include vegetables and no water is added to the broth. Meat-based variants include Paksiw na baboy, which is pork, usually hawk or shank, Paksiw na pata for pig's trotters, cooked in ingredients similar to those in adobo but with the addition of sugar and banana blossoms to make it sweeter and water to keep the meat moist and to yield a rich sauce. Another is Paksiw na lechon, which is leftover spit-roasted pork lechon meat cooked in lechon sauce or its component ingredients of vinegar, garlic, onions, black pepper and ground liver or liver spread and some water. See also: Dinuguan, cuisine of the Philippines, Philippine adobo, another Philippine cooking method that uses vinegar.